Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best shampoo for wavy hair that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SheaMoisture Curl and Shine Coconut and Hibiscus Shampoo. SheaMoisture Curl and Shine Shampoo is a phthalate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free shampoo that gently cleanses natural hair and improves hair's health and restores shine. This curl-enhancing shampoo contains coconut oil to moisturize and protect hair while replenishing lost oil, and hibiscus flower extracts to improve hair elasticity while reducing the occurrence of breakage. The rich, creamy lather of this shampoo gently washes away impurities, leaving you with frizz-free waves and curls. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Matrix A Curl Can Dream Deep Cleansing Shampoo. Matrix Curl. Dream Shampoo is a cleansing shampoo designed specifically for curly and coily hair. It effectively removes buildup, leaving your curls clean and rejuvenated. This shampoo is formulated to cater to the needs of curls, ensuring they stay healthy and vibrant. Its silicone and paraben-free formula, enriched with manuka honey extract, provides gentle yet thorough cleansing, leaving your hair fresh and revitalized. With Matrix Curl Dream Shampoo, you can maintain the health and beauty of your curls effortlessly. At number 3, we have the Sun Bum Curls and Waves Shampoo. Get ready to love your curly and wavy hair with this vegan and cruelty-free Curls and Waves Shampoo by Sun Bum. Infused with kukui nut oil and monoi coconut oil, this shampoo gently cleanses your hair while providing intense moisture to every bend, curl, and wave. It protects your hair from damaging UV rays, preventing it from becoming dull, brittle, frizzy, and discolored. This shampoo is enriched with monoi coconut oil and seaweed protein and is gluten, cruelty, sulfate, and paraben-free. Wet your hair, lather, rinse well, and follow with Curls and Waves conditioner for best results. Trust the ones who live on the beach to make a product that works on the most intense days in the sun. At number 2, we have the Function of Beauty Wavy Hair Shampoo. The Function of Beauty. Wavy shampoo is designed especially for those with type 2 wavy hair who want to enhance their natural texture. It uses fermented rice water, a natural ingredient that helps strengthen your hair and improve its bounce and flexibility. This shampoo gently cleanses your hair without stripping away essential moisture, making it perfect for daily use. Plus, it features a refreshing nude peach fragrance, blending peach, lemon, and jasmine scents to turn your shower into a spa-like experience. Using this shampoo can help you achieve defined, frizz-free waves while keeping your hair healthy and manageable. And finally, at number 1, we have the Function of Beauty Wavy Hair Shampoo XL. The Function of Beauty. Wavy shampoo is designed especially for those with type 2 hair who want to enhance their natural waves. It contains fermented rice water, a natural ingredient that helps strengthen your hair and boost its elasticity, so your waves look defined and healthy without feeling stripped. The shampoo is lightweight and works to reduce frizz, making your hair easier to manage every day. Plus, it features a pleasant nude peach scent with hints of peach nectar, lemon, and jasmine, turning your shower into a relaxing spa moment. Using this shampoo as the first step in your routine sets the stage for soft, beautiful waves. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.